Hey everyone. Today I'm making an airplane. Well, I tried to do an airplane. The video didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. Um, and it's not anything to do with the pattern itself. It's just I did scale it down quite a bit and I found it very fiddly and yeah, I didn't really do it justice. So it's really nothing to do with the pattern itself. It's just kind of failed in the assembly, I guess. I did contemplate not uploading the video, but I don't think. Well, I don't know. I don't know if it's better to not upload a video or upload a bad video. I feel like YouTube is kind of not happy if you don't upload for a while, so here's my badly made video. And again, it's nothing to do with the pattern. The pattern is fine. It's just I kind of didn't do it too well. So I hope you enjoy my badly made video. I hope at least it's helpful to someone in the assembly, but yeah, no idea what to say. It's just I wasn't overly happy with this video, and I've done videos before that I wasn't happy with, but and I always struggle, oh, should I upload a badly made video or not? Yeah, so I hope you enjoy my badly made video. For the assembly itself, I printed on 120 GSM printing paper, and I used some of the mixed media paper just for backing to make it a bit more sturdy. And the pattern itself really doesn't have any tabs, so random bird. So most of the time you're just gluing edge to edge. So for some of the parts I did cut out extra tabs just so I could glue things easier. this is the part where I started getting happy with the build, and it's the cabling, which is basically sewing thread coated in glue to make it stiff, but it really wasn't that stiff. It kept bending, so I think I used too little glue, and also I feel like the thread was a bit too thick for the scale. Just something didn't work for me. I don't know, it just doesn't look good. Looking at it now, I feel like maybe if I did little holes in the wings to kind of hide the ends of the thread inside the wing would look better. Yeah, but I didn't think of it at that point, so. For the base, I just had like a spare wooden base, and I glued some grass on top. Oh, I also coated the whole airplane with Mod Podge just to give it a bit more shine and not look so dull. I don't know, I feel like whenever I print with my printer, and it's an inkjet printer, the colors never pop as much as on the laser printer, so the Mod Podge really kind of helps with that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's definitely not what I hoped for, so thanks for watching anyways, and I will see you in the next one.